Alright, so what we're going to work on now is the accents of the 6/8. So in 6/8, there are 6 beats, right? And each beat can be divided. You can divide it into 2. So remember when I was saying 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and well, 1 and 2 aren't divided, but 2, 3, and 5, and 6 are divided. And if you want to get technical, we're kind of hitting another mini strong beat. It's like not exactly the strong beats like 1 and 4, but it's like a mini strong beat. We're hitting it on the and of 2. So 1, 2, and 3, 2 and of 4, or I'm sorry, of 5. The and of 2 and the and of 5. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 2, and 3, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and And if you speed that up, it actually makes the sound more luscious as opposed to this, which doesn't sound bad at all. So I mean, it's still fine, you know. We're still doing the same rhythm, we're still doing that exact right rhythm. It's just kind of drony. It kind of stays at the same level. There's really no dynamic and no. It's like breathe. It's not saying something. To other people, it might not mean as much. Like, I don't know. It might not be as expressive as it could be. So, and say if we want to be as expressive as it could be. For instance, sometimes you don't, sometimes you do. So if we're doing that, we're going to hit on the and of 2 and the and of 5s, as well as the 1 and 4. So 1, 2, and I'll do it slow. 1, 2, and. Okay, so what you noticed, that if you did notice, that what I'm doing to accent that is I'm actually strumming mostly the highest 3 strings, and that's really what gives it that percussive quality, that kind of ba, that breathability, that expressiveness. And so if we're wanting to be as expressive as you could, that's what we're gonna hit. We're not gonna just go through. I mean, you will go through all the strings again, but you're gonna hit these. You don't really have to think about it. Don't even think about it. That was dumb. So let's just go through it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 1, and 4, 5, and 6, and 4, 5, and 6, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 6, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, and 3, 5, and 6, and 1, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, I'm switching between E and A, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, and what you notice is that even when we're not in 6/8, I don't want to confuse you too much. Just don't try to play this, and I'll conclude at the end with more 6/8, so you'll get it out of your head. But you can do the same thing with a 4/4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. yeah, so like the same concept. Same concept. I thought that was the piano. All right, so I'm gonna do the 6/8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, sorry, that concludes the videos. Try to go back and use this accent. This kind of the accent. We emphasize something. We make it a bigger deal in the chord progression that we used in the previous video. That way, it'll be more expressive. Yeah. All right. Catch you later. Have a good one. Practice. Practice. Practice.